I was reading about how you can build a SaaS business in just 24 hours, and it's kind of blowing my mind.
Wait, seriously? In 24 hours? That's hard to believe.
I thought the same thing, but with AI and no-code platforms now, it's actually possible.
So you're telling me anyone can start a software business without coding?
Exactly. People usually think SaaS is only for
Right.
techies, but that's a big misconception these days.
But isn't software development expensive and time consuming?
It used to be, but now with tools like Kartra and Chatbase, you can, set everything up without touching a single line of code.
Kartra and Chatbase? I've never heard of them.
Kartra is an all-in-one platform for building websites and handling payments, and Chatbase lets you create AI chatbots easily.
That's fascinating. But why don't more people jump on this opportunity?
Well, a lot of people have this fear of failure. They
Mm-hmm.
think they need to be first to market or that they'll mess up.
But isn't being first an advantage?
Actually, sometimes it's a disadvantage. The first movers have to figure everything out the hard way.
Oh, so it's like they're the ones making all the mistakes for others to learn from.
Exactly. Being a smart second mover lets you learn from others and improve upon their strategies.
Makes sense. But is now really the best time to start?
Absolutely. AI is becoming mainstream, but the market isn't saturated yet. It's like catching a wave before it peaks.
I get that. But what if you don't have any tech background at all?
That's the beauty of it. With no code tools, you don't need technical skills. You can focus on choosing a niche and building value.
Choosing a niche, is that important?
Super important. You want to target a specific industry where your AI chatbot can solve real problems.
Like what examples?
Well, think about real estate agents needing lead generation or fitness coaches offering personalized workout plans.
Oh, so you tailor the chatbot to their specific needs?
Exactly. And businesses are willing to pay monthly for solutions that save them time and money.
But how do you get the word out? Marketing can be tough.
Start with a no-brainer offer, like a free trial. Use social media platforms and even simple Facebook ads to reach your audience.
Facebook ads? Aren't those expensive?
You can start with a small budget, like $5 a day, and target your ads specifically to your niche.
Got it. But isn't social media saturated with ads already?
It is competitive, but if your offer is compelling and you know your audience well, you can stand out.
Okay, but what if people are still hesitant to buy?
That's where overcoming the fear of failure comes in. You need to demonstrate the value and make it easy for them to say yes.
Makes sense. But let's say someone challenges the quality of your AI chatbot.
That's actually a good thing.
Yeah?
It gives you the chance to improve and show that you're responsive to feedback.
I guess constructive criticism helps you grow.
Absolutely. The author of the guide pivoted multiple times. Magic tricks, apps, books, always adapting.
Wait, did you say magic tricks?
Yeah, he started by teaching magic on YouTube, but then had to pivot when his channel got shut down.
Wow, talk about resilience.
Right? It's all about seeing opportunities and not being afraid to start over.
That's inspiring. So, in building this SaaS, what's the biggest obstacle?
Honestly, it's just getting started. People overthink and let fear hold them back.
Yeah, analysis paralysis is real.
Exactly. But the risks are low and the potential rewards are huge.
I see that now. It's like investing a little time for a big possible return.
That's the idea. Just like when he was 8 and bought a pinball machine for $3, turning it into a profit.
Right. That story shows how small actions can lead to big results.
Precisely. So why not apply that mindset to building a SaaS today?
You've convinced me. I think it's time to take the leap.
That's great. Remember, the key is to start and keep testing. You never know where it might lead.
Absolutely. Well, here's to building our own SaaS success stories.